Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to unblock someone on TikTok, and all we have to do is to launch our TikTok application. And from here, if we decided to go and look for somebody that would like to block, in this case, let's say decided to block this person by heading over to their account and then tapping on this arrow. And then here at the bottom, you're going to scroll horizontally to the left, and then we're going to see the option just near the QR code to block. We're going to tap on that, and it will tell us that they will not be able to send you messages, see our posts, or find our profile. And this doesn't include extended scenarios like multi-host live streams, duet posted by others, or group chats you both participate in. They will not be notified that you blocked them. We're going to tap on block. Let's say we decided to look for another person to block, like this person, just going to head on over to their profile, and then we're going to tap on the arrow again, then we're going to tap on block. So in the case that if we did block those people and we are unable to see or find their account to unblock them, all we have to do is to tap on our profile. Then I'm going to tap on the three lines. Then I'm going to tap on settings and privacy. From there, I'm going to tap on privacy. Then I'm going to scroll down until I see blocked accounts. I'm going to tap on it. From there, I can actually decide to either leave them as blocked accounts, or I can just tap on unblock them to unblock the accounts. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.